Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can enable Google Chat in Gmail. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application. After that, open your Gmail. Now you have to click on that three lines and you'll see these options from which you have to choose settings. Now click on your Gmail account from which you want to open your Google Chat. Next, you'll see this chat option, you have to click on that. And now your Google Chat is enabled in your Gmail. Down there you will see those two options, which means your and now here you can see two options down there, which means Google Chat is enabled. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.